Why are you doing a noise? That I had make some kind of noise. You eat like chips, all of that.
No, I always wanted to eat them. Put it on your nose.
You have to start until you get small.
I know.
You can tell him to wait. He will say like, wait, Rusty, wait.
Rusty.
He's not gonna like it. You gotta get him when he's a lot smaller. The next time. Oh, see, he's a hand. He knows you're filming him. What? Put it up high. Put it up high. See, you're not even looking at the tortilla. He's looking at there. What? You can make him get up on his hind feet too. Up, let's see. Up. Okay, you won't fall. Up. One more second. Up. There, good boy, yeah.
Hello to the camera.
Look at the camera.
I told you, he knows. You guys think he doesn't know? He knows. Look at the camera. Get the tortilla and then I'll let you up.
No.
Hurry. See, you're gonna burn yourself. Rusty. Hey, come here.